The Padcaster Parrot? The Glide Gear or Desview T2? Perhaps the NEEWER X12 or the TeleprompterPAD iLight Pro? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 teleprompters for YouTube videos available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best teleprompters for YouTube videos. The 5th product on this list is the Desview T2. The best teleprompter is a bit like a magician. It displays your script or notes so you can read them while looking directly at the camera. If you need a reliable teleprompter for your next shoot, the Desview T2 could be a good option. For starters, this teleprompter has a standard beam splitter that allows you to clearly read from a script while staring straight at the camera, making you appear knowledgeable about the subject and able to look your audience in the eyes confidently. It is ideal for vlogging, newscasting, web conferences, video recording, speeches, and YouTube videos. There's no need to memorize the script. This portable teleprompter is intended for use with devices smaller than 8 inches, such as smartphones and mini tablets. It's also an excellent travel companion because there are no restrictions on tripod load capacity. Another highlight is that this iPhone teleprompter uses a special coating process and a beam splitter glass with 70/30 visible light transmission, with no effect on image quality and color of the shooting or double reflection, which provides clear prompting and lowers NG frequency. It also has a trapezoid designed for better vision, so you can move around while reading. This teleprompter kit allows you to shoot with a wide-angle lens more expansive than 40mm, allowing you to see more without vignetting. What's more, there are front and rear covers that provide double protection to the glass while in use. Its pros are, it comes with an innovative solution to record with your smartphone. It includes the remote control to change the speed, play, or pause the teleprompter, and it's easy and fast to set up so you can use it right away. However, it can only handle a maximum of 142mm wide tablets, so you cannot use those that are larger than an iPad mini. The Desview T2 is an excellent teleprompter for video recordings and presentations made with a camera or smartphone. It's a novel approach to improving video and online conferences. Up next in 4th place is the TeleprompterPAD iLight Pro. If you're primarily using an iPad for filming, here's our top pick. This teleprompter is constructed with an all-aluminum frame, and it comes with an adjustable opaque hood that enhances reading. This new V15.0 evolved version features all the improvements suggested by the users over the years. It features premium professional HD 60/40 beam splitter glass that offers clear and bright reflection with outstanding impact and scratch resistance, thanks to its thickness and micro-textured paint coating for increased durability. You'll also get to save tons of time with this exclusive angle adjusting system, which allows for easy and quick framing by simply tilting the glass. What's more, this teleprompter is collapsible, making it easier to transport. This model has an 11-inch display that is compatible with all tablets and smartphones with dimensions up to 7.8 by 10.20 inches. It's also compatible with all handheld cameras, including DSLR, HD VCam, XD Cam, and NX Cam. This model is also linked to a professional app that you can easily download on App Store for Apple and Play Store if you're using an Android device. The manufacturer also offers personalized technical support through their website, supported by high-quality, clear instructions and video format. Finally, this kit comes with a bag for carrying it and a remote for operating it. Its pros are, it offers wide compatibility with cameras and smartphones. It has reinforced aluminum columns for additional durability, and it has a highly versatile adjustable glass angle system that allows you to adjust the frame in a few seconds by just turning a knob. However, its remote control can be tricky to use if you're a beginner. The TeleprompterPAD iLight Pro is an absolute must-have for anyone who needs to look professional while filming YouTube videos. It is also ideal for online meetings with perfect eye contact, such as Zoom, Skype, Teams, and more. Still haven't found a teleprompter for YouTube videos that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the NEEWER X12. They say money can't buy happiness, but it could buy something close, like a really cool teleprompter needed for your video production projects. Thanks to an innovative coding technique, This model's high-quality beam splitter glass ensures 75% light transmittance. With its adjustable hood and leading technology glass, the text on your tablet is clearly reflected onto the high-definition display of the teleprompter, and the reflected text can be read up to 10 feet away. Another highlight of this model is that it supports intelligent control via the included RT110 remote control and the Teleprompter app, which means you can easily pause, speed up or slow down, and turn pages with just one simple press. What's more, you'd love how easy it is to set up this model. Thanks to the clear instructions for installation that it comes with, the teleprompter can be ready to use within minutes. The collapsing design also allows for easy storage and transport. The dual cold shoe mounts and quarter-inch threads on both sides, as well as the full body of aluminum alloy, makes this teleprompter lightweight yet durable enough to hold your camera, tablet, microphone, LED lights, and other accessories in place while making videos. Its pros are, it fits all types of smartphones and tablets. Its text is clear to read because the reflective glass has zero glare, and it comes with a carrying case for easy transport and added portability. However, its remote control doesn't come with batteries, so you'll need to purchase them separately. The NEEWER Teleprompter X12 is a high-quality, feature-rich teleprompter that is ideal for corporate videos and live conference recordings. The second product on this list is the Padcaster Parrot. Traveling a lot and looking for something nice and light? The Padcaster Parrot teleprompter is an affordable, simple, and compact tool you can use for daily recording activities. This teleprompter is made of lightweight plastic and weighs very little, making it ideal for slipping into a bag while on the go. With this amazing tool, you can turn your smartphone into a professional, lightweight, and mobile teleprompter. Your video productions will always be professional, thanks to the easy-to-read text displayed on a high-quality beam splitter glass screen, allowing you to look your audience in the eye while reading your script. We also like that this model is compatible with any smartphone and can be attached to almost any DSLR camera, as well as other Padcaster products like the Padcaster for iPad and Padcaster Verse for smartphones. You'll also appreciate its unrivaled adaptability. This teleprompter is simple to use by attaching it directly to the lens filter thread of almost any camera. To top it all off, this model includes a Bluetooth remote that allows you to pause, play, and adjust the speed remotely. Its pros are, it can be mounted on almost any DSLR using one of the included 13 mounting rings. It's extremely lightweight, so you can bring it anytime, anywhere. And it can be set up quickly, making it a more convenient choice. However, it has a fairly small screen, so it's best to be used with smartphones rather than tablets. If you are someone who moves from place to place and you're looking for a reliable teleprompter to take with you, then the Padcaster Parrot is undoubtedly the best choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top teleprompter for YouTube videos is the Glide Gear TMP100. If you're creating YouTube content as part of your main job, we recommend the Glide Gear TMP100. When making a YouTube video, this is the best teleprompter to help you look professional and natural as you stare straight down at the camera. It's effortless to set up with no need for tools and many mounting options for fixing your tripod. It also includes an offset adapter allowing you to use your smartphone as the camera. There are inserts supporting up to a 10.5 by 7.5 inch tablet or smartphone in the adjustable tray on the front to provide scrolling text via any prompting app compatible with the mobile device. Another highlight of this model is the 70/30 beam splitter glass that reflects the scrolling text from the device to your talent from up to a 10-foot reading range. The glass angle is adjustable to best suit the situation, while its protective hood keeps unwanted light from entering your lens. The prompter offers 1/4 inch 20 and 3/8 inch 16 tripod mount threads on the bottom, plus accessory mounting points on the left and right sides of the frame for attaching lights, mics, and other accessories to enhance your production. Most people who buy the TMP100 usually use it with an iPad or other tablet, which makes sense if all you want to do is shoot video and deliver scripted lines. Regardless of your needs or type of setup, this is a brilliant device that is sure to serve you well when creating professional-level content. Its pros are, it uses an impact-resistant HD glass that delivers a 70/30 visible light transmission. It comes with an adjustable mounting sled for easier filming. It delivers stunning clarity and readability in full light conditions, and it's made of 6061 grade aluminum, prized for its durability and corrosion resistance. However, attaching a camera can be a little tricky as the fixture screws in from underneath. The Glide Gear TMP100 is the best teleprompter for full-time YouTubers because it includes everything a content creator needs to read from an auto cue while looking good. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.